In this video, I'll show you how to create smooth AI videos with Kling AI and improve the overall quality of your generated clips. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Before generating the video, decide what kind of movement and camera motion you want. To create smoother results, keep your prompt clear and focused. Describe one main action and avoid adding too many complicated movements in the same scene. For example, if you want to create a person walking, describe a natural walking motion with smooth body movement and a steady camera following the subject. You can also use simple camera instructions such as a slow push-in, smooth tracking shot, gentle pan, or gradual zoom. These movements can help create a more polished visual appearance. Next, think about the environment. Small movements such as trees moving in the wind, flowing water, moving clouds, or subtle clothing movement can make the scene feel more natural without making it too complicated. When using image to video, start with a clear and high-quality image. Make sure the main subject is easy to identify and avoid images with unnecessary visual distractions. After writing your prompt, generate the video and preview the result. Pay attention to the subject's movement, camera stability, background, and transitions within the scene. If the video looks shaky or unnatural, simplify your instructions. Instead of adding more details, try using one clear movement and a steady camera direction. You can also generate multiple versions and compare them. Sometimes a slightly different prompt can produce a much smoother result. For longer projects, create separate short clips rather than trying to generate too many actions in one video.